Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to downgrade Windows 11 to Windows 10. If you have upgraded to Windows 11 but missing Windows 10, don't worry, you can go back in this quick video. I will show you how to downgrade to Windows 10 within the 10 days. After the 10 days was completed, when you updated to Windows 11, so this method is not for you. So within 10 days you can try this method. Okay, so for this guys, hold Windows key button and then press I. So this is the shortcut key to open the Windows settings. Okay, in the Windows settings, go to system in the left panel, and in the right panel scroll down and find out a recovery option. Just click and open it like this. In the recovery option guys, here you can get the option if you have updated Windows 11 from Windows 10. So here, if the 10 days is not completed, here you can get the option rollback. Just click on it and follow the on-screen process instruction to roll back to Windows 10 from Windows 11. Okay, so this is the nice and very simple way to roll back to Windows 10 from Windows 11. So that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.